So ngayon, lalayas muna si Indemary Ann at mag-ano tayo ng buhok kasi itong buhok natin para itong bulak ng mais. Yun, bulaklak ng mais ba? Yung parang pangit. So kailangan nating i-iron and then imbitahan lang tayo mga loves. Hindi sana ako ngayon makapunta, buti na lang may nag-cancel or cancel ba yun? Ay hindi maka-off yung kapatid ni Mr. So yun. At yun, pumunta ako sa imbita ni Adinots. So kaya tara, samahan nyo ako mga loves. Konting lang, salo-salo. Aalis ako guys and I'm going to leave my baby and I'm starving. Are you gonna be okay?
Some adobo or something before you go. A little adobo with rice. You'll be happier. And then we'll be starving when you get there. And you still have food to eat there.
I'm gonna eat a little bit. Do you wanna eat with me? Iniwan ko si Tommy and meron lang akong kukunin mga loves na pagkain. And so yarn. Dami ko sanang gawain ngayon. Punta sana kami ng New Rochelle and yun. Punta sana kami ng New Rochelle ngayon pero hindi natuloy kasi hindi maka-off yung kapatid ni Tommy. So, I guess magkita-kits lang tayo mamaya pag uwi ko ng bahay mga loves. Let's see kung makapag-vlog ako, no? Kasi mas maganda yung magkasama yung mga kakilala and then yung parang hindi tayo pala yung nakafocus sa cellphone. But anyway, so let's see lang, no? Kasi hindi naman tayo perfecto, day. Sige na, day.
Ito parang lipstick, parang may red to eh, kay Lina to.
Ang ginagamit ko yung ilan sa akin, di ba? Yung
Ate
hanggang ngayon.
Remelondo.
Ito lip tint,
Lip tint. Ito.
Tingnan mo yung yung kulay.
Alam mo naman walang salamin ko eh. Bastos na ba?
Dito. Yan mo.
Hindi, yan, mga lip tint yan lahat.
Hindi siya lip tint. Iba-iba ang niya. Yan ba, red lipstick.
Ito, iba.
This is,
Oh shit, it's not even done yet.
uy, kinukuha din. Uy, binibiri. It's so high.
Yeah. Well, yeah, right. And I have all rice there. Not all
You forgot to make rice? Oh my gosh.
Adin.
I gotta have my rice. Serving spoons. What do you got? What do you know? What do you want to watch?
Uy, asinin mo ang kanang garlic powder.
Then ay kasi gusto ko sa chicken. Ano sa paman?
Init na rin. Ito maliinit. Ito na din init eh. Sige na, butang yung camera. Sige na, butang yung camera.
I gotta stop starving myself at work every day.
Yep.
Ay, mahilig ako ng garlic powder.
Of course I love to. Look who's in the house. She's my cooker. I hired her. Rice cooker. She's a rice cooker. Totoo lang. Totoo.
Ito lang.
Mas ganun kayo ka din? Ganun ko din?
I don't know. I'm only looking for a watch.
Nice.
Di ko kayo kayo na.
Maniliwala ko lang. Bariya mo, puto ko na.
30 years old, beto siya.
Asa mo ka?
Yeah, madali.
Wala ka magula?
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Ano mo din, Sharon?
Dere, mamuha.
Balot siya, balot.
Sharon ko
Next time our new couches will be in, we'll have more seating.
Yeah.
A week from today. Next Thursday.
Where did you get your cup?
Bob.
O, diba?
Alala!
Love. No, it's the love seat.
Magkuha, ayaw.
May dala na ako.
Nay, kuha mo? Asa?
Ayaw na kay container na.
Oh, pansit eh.
If you ever go out and buy furniture,
Pansit.
Bob's is way better than that.
Ayaw lang, ikaw lang. Inuha na lang. Aron din na ka magluto-luto.
Daghan kayo ni English.
Wala na yung nag-awin.
Ikaw ba? Di na ta-invite ani ro.
Dib ko.
Kaya nga mag-eat.
Mine.
Kaya nga.
Hoy. Mine.
Mag-mine ka na.
Magkano yan, Adin?
Ito, mine.
Talon, ana.
Mahal naman.
Hala na.
Hindi ko yan nasuot eh. Sa'yo na yan. Suotin mo yan.
Ups. Ay, ano. Ay, nindot, uy.
Nindot ka dyan.
Nindot, naalala ko yung size 0 pa ako.
Hindi mo ako ganahan. Long aman siya oh. Ikaw ah.
Labas ang dede dito. Walang dede.
Suotin mo. I-try mo. Kasi kayo dito sa kuwan. I-ano lang natin ilang.
Oh my God.
Adin, pag silbi, kay magkuan ka. Ano maka,
Sabado ba? Sa Sabado.
Sabado.
Mine.
Nang mahaba.
Oo.
Ang daming damit ni Adin, no?
Sige na. I-ano na yan.
Mine. Mine.
Tag-15 daw yan.
Oh,
Tag
magbayad na
15.
kayo. Yung isa, yung red.
Like I said, my plans went down the drain as far as the year, but you know, it'll be what it is. It would have been nice to have it set up and checked and make sure it works before like the cold really hits in, but I guess not.
Yeah. Well, you can hook your barbecue one up too, right?
No, it doesn't. It's got a different connection. There you go. But those are. I guess I will order it and find out.
So what do you search on Home Depot? 100-pound propane tank? Or?
Right. I think this time of year they would have it in stock.
£100 T29. Is it in stock now? Available for delivery though. £100. Let's see what the delivery is. Watch, I'll get it by 5 a.m.
You love that stuff.
I have my thing, I had there's a lot. They give you a lot of sauce. Did you ask them? I said, a lot of sauce. I said, my favorite sauce. Mga loves, I'm just really happy with this fish, mga loves. Look. So good. Do you want? It's so good, honey. The meat is good, honey. Do you want some?
Nope. You're not eating on the couch. Come down yet.
Kung sobrang ka-spoiled itong mga alaga. That's what happened, honey. You spoiled them so much. Ang sarap. Yung sauce nila, guys, ang sarap ng sauce. At saka yung rice is yellow rice. I think meron silang nilagay.
The plantains under there.
There's a lot of plantain over there too. Ang daming meron ako nakitang compilation ba? Yung mga fans ni Katniel nag-iyakan. Ano ba yun, oy? Para namang namatayan. Ang daming umiiyak. Do you wanna try this fish? Can you eat your pork? Try their sauce and it's good.
Which one?
This one,
I don't know what that one is.
Not the pink one. Sarap. Try the fish, honey. Look, oh, no bone. Did you try the sauce?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Why you don't like it? Can you tell me? You like spicy. You said you like spicy.
I like the meat plain better.
Busog na ako eh. Ang laking flounder.
Last.
Ang sarap.
Look down.
Oh my goodness. Uy. Hala, the cat love the fish. Ang sarap mga loves. Oh my goodness. This is not flounder mga loves. This is snapper. I keep seeing flounder. It's a snapper. It's a red snapper. Yung pink. Yan siya, ang sarap. Grabe. This is really, really good. Nah, I need more sauce eh. More ba? The sauce ba? No, I don't have a rice. Hello.
You mean right there?
That's a rice over here. Right here. I ate it already. Ang sarap. So good. Prito, isda. Prito isda. Sarap siya. What do you think? You dropped it.
Your phone? What? I think I did.
And you left it. Maybe that's the thing that I'm fixed.
Maybe it's bad.
Huh? This is the only thing you eat? Do you want food in the refrigerator? Few people on the review, not too many.
Oh,
There's people that are eating, right?
yeah, we'll have to tonight. Sometimes they're packed.
Every time holiday.
We'll leave it too early. We went out at 4 o'clock.
People having dinner early then. Some of them, right?
Yeah, not a rule. If I go out, you back. Or by 6:30.
Leave it there. Thank you, love.
What, more plantain?
No.
Yeah. There's a 4 little plantain here. Where's the plantain? This is empty. This is what's happening. This is another 4 little plantains.
Hindi plantain, di ba?
I don't know, put them together.
Hindi pa ako tapos. Ano na? No. Yeah. More plantain?
No. This one's work. This one's solid.
That's all yours.
No.
No. Don't be ridiculous because not touching it natin. Bet natin. Sarap. Iwan ko, love. Sarap na sarap ako sa snapper. You want to this fish? It makes me happy. I don't know why.
You're happy as a clam. Look, happy as a snapper.
It's not happy. I mean, masarap ang talaga siya eh. Lalo na kapag presko ito. Andun sa bawin. Sa bawah. Hindi pa ako tapos mga loves. Kailangan ko pang mag. Masarap. Hindi ko matatapos. Bukas ito na naman siya. So, ngayon, ito lang sa kabila. Kasi, hindi kaya sa power. Busog na. Hindi kaya sa power. What happened? Honey, what hurting you? Huh?
Yeah.
You don't eat much.
I ate a whole thing of sausage. A whole bit of it.
Huh?
I ate one whole thing of sausage.
Can you feel it? Bye guys.